How'd it go?
Pretty good. It's much smooth.
Great.
Down by 10 a.m. now.
Down in an hour.
Yeah.
35 yards.
Today we are heading out to West Harrison, Indiana. I know we only have a couple more weeks to finish this up. This customer is actually having a party at the end of the month.
Back here at this big ass pool job.
Yep.
Got 30 yards on the way.
Yep.
Pump truck will be here soon.
Yep. Let's get it going.
Do it all, boys.
Get it done.
Welcome to the outdoor hustle. Like that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Outdoor Hustle.
Haircut? Looks good. Bonita.
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 Both wearing black.
How'd it go?
Every day, though.
How'd it go?
I'm good. It's much smooth for real. Like, surprisingly, 35 yards. Went down in
With the pump.
Yeah.
Great.
Down by 10 a.m. now.
down in an hour.
Yeah.
35 yards.
Good morning. Today we are heading out to West Harrison, Indiana, going out to the vinyl liner pool project that we've been working on. I know we only have a couple more weeks to finish this up. This customer is actually having a party at the end of the month, so let's get this thing done and let's head out there, check out what the guys got going on.
They got the fence up. Looks good. What up?
So you come here building auto cover or what?
Yeah, I was told to come help supervise a little bit.
Supervise.
You get a haircut, man?
3 weeks ago.
Oh, really?
I just haven't had a hat on.
Okay, looks good, man. What we got going on here?
Auto cover.
Oh yeah, he just said that. Yeah, true.
Auto cover. This one's a little bit different because it's 15 years old. Corners ain't perfect. I mean, it should be the same. It's just. Remember them pieces from Jason? Look how big down. The one over there.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That side would be good, but this side. And of course, this has to sit right on it. So you got to tweak it and finesse it to make it work right.
All right.
This don't have that thing That strip. It came with it. Yeah, I believe that's what's inside that little box I took you out of this box. I don't know. Why did we even have that strip? Why wasn't that strip already in there? We didn't do nothing right there.
Yeah, we did.
Screw.
But you got a cap.
Yeah, it also has that cap on there.
Grab that cap. That cap's gonna be different. You see what I'm saying? That cap.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
That
Now.
cap's gonna go here, up in here, and then down here. But it needs to be elevated. If not, you ain't gonna cover them screws.
I never said nothing.
Huh? You gonna do a little bit more? Always doubting. Come on, man. You want me to make a YouTube video? Tutorial or what?
You probably don't have to.
Like I said, I'm gonna slide this way. We're gonna have to notch this piece too. So how it's riding up on here.
Oh, that piece right
How I notch this one. We just notched this one. We notch this cap from here to our end, or to our inside. It's gonna die at our inside, and then this will sit flush. It ain't really affecting it right now, but it'll sit a 1/4 inch more flush.
Oh!
Hey.
There you go. Little gravity patch.
Yeah.
That's where it's gonna die out at. So now, this end we ain't even cutting this end. The only end we're cutting is that over there. Chopping off this
Oh,
way.
yeah. It's not
And then
that
whatever
out.
measurement this is, we're gonna copy it on there and that's it. Yeah, you think you the Hulk or what? Easy. Bend it, wrap. Yeah. That's why you gotta have that
There you go.
multi-tool on you at all
There you go.
times, buddy. Pliers, hammer, everything. Knife. Hey, watch it now. It's cool how they got that groove though where you ain't gotta cut it.
So it's designed for you to have to do that?
Whatever measurement you need, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, that's why it has it all the way down. So now, like I said, by removing that little 1/4 inch strip, see how now it's flat all the way across? When you don't take that strip out,
Mm.
it's,
Yep.
it's level here, but here it's cocked back.
Yep.
So when you take that out, it sits right on there. Now this track will be flush all the way. Bam. And just like that, you got a perfect 2-foot radius corner.
There it is.
Well, I'm about to bring my sombrero tomorrow. Y'all laughing at Adelina. That sombrero keep you 10 degrees, 15 degrees cooler, boy.
Does?
Hell yeah.
What about the long sleeve shirt?
I don't know about it being.
They all wear them.
I mean,
The long sleeves.
me, I'm a hit or miss. They do work. They do seem like they keep you cooler, but I just hate that shit touching me.
Same.
Like, I think it for real does keep you cooler, but I just hate that shit being on me all day.
There ain't gonna be nothing that's gonna keep us cool this summer, buddy.
Oh no, we're
The
getting
sun beating off these panels.
Oh yeah.
the,
I
new,
mean, that's how
Oh,
I
yeah?
got my
the
tan.
new panels when they're chrome. Huh.
Yeah.
You think
Oh,
water?
they'll blind the out of you.
You think,
Oh, I'm sure.
you think water has reflection? Yeah, we're gonna be shit. I'm already dark.
Oh
up.
yeah. I've already been getting my tan on.
A little bit darker. You ain't gonna be able to see my tattoos.
But I got a tan when it was 30 degrees outside.
Well, I don't help when you're the palest of white, man.
Why
It hits you
talking about
different.
yourself?
It hits you different.
It does. I can't wait to jump into this.
Nah. You didn't want to jump in the first one when it was
Yes,
40.
yes, Seth wants
Water
to-
was
outside.
45
Yeah.
degrees. You ain't jumping in this one. buddy.
Yeah.
Well,
Diving board on both sides.
lunchtime. Lunchy.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Next time I see you, better be wearing that shirt, man.
Get some 503 pool shirts. We'll be alright.
I'll see what I can do. All right, y'all.
Welcome back, YouTube. Back here at this big ass pool job.
Yup.
Got 30 yards on the way.
Yep.
Pump truck will be here soon.
Yep.
Gonna be getting it set up.
Mm-hmm.
Then concrete will be here shortly after.
Yep.
Then we got 2 stamping crews going on today. So we're gonna be stamping the bottom of the pool section while we're
Yep.
stamping on top of the retaining wall.
Yep.
That's all I got for you.
Let's get it going.
This first chunk from the other day though, absolutely crispy. That's what we'd like to see. Concreto! Finishing up the last little bit. Concrete is down, it's all poured out. Knocked out the top one, got the second one done. Just finished around the pool deck. Got to get on it, finish it, then we're stamping. Here he is, Mr. Tree Man.
Yeah. I was just proud of myself. I got the chiller hooked up by myself.
No, I did great, man.
I was spoiled back in the day. I was like, I did used to haul shit. I had a newer truck out on camera. You could actually see the hitch
Yeah,
and shit.
yeah.
This one I was out there by myself, like back up 2 inches, go
Yeah.
forward 2 inches.
Yeah. There she is. Yeah.
Why is this one heavier? Yeah. They're wet as that's why.
Hey, it's big tree stuff right here, son. There it is. Oh, 2 for 1 special.
Oh God.
4 for 1 special. Hey, work smarter, not harder.
Beat all things hell, buddy.
Hey, anytime, man.
He helped me this morning.
Just let me know, give me a call.
I will, brother. Thank you.
Appreciate you. All right, back to the concrete. Thank you for watching this week's episode of The Outdoor Hustle. I apologize for the abrupt ending here. Unfortunately, I had to leave before they could completely finish the stamping, but I will be back next week to show y'all how it turned out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell notification, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!